Good morning, students. Hope all are safe and healthy at home. I am your science teacher, Josne, for class 7th. Let's continue the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In today's class, we will learn the process of digestion in human beings. The breakdown of complex components of food into similar substances is defined as digestion. We take food through mouth. Our body digests the food to produce the energy. The energy produced is utilized to perform various activities. The unused food is then defecated from the body. The food passes through a continuous canal which begins at the buccal cavity and ends at the anus. This continuous canal is called as alimentary canal. Alimentary canal have different parts. They are buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. There are various glands associated with alimentary canal. They are salivary glands producing saliva, liver produces bile juice, pancreas produces pancreatic juice. These glands produces digestive juices which convert complex substances of food into simpler substances. Process of digestion. Mouth and buccal cavity. The process of digestion begins inside the mouth. The process of taking food into the body is called as digestion. This is the first step in digestion. Teeth is the hardest part in our body. Each tooth is rooted in a separate socket in the gum. For cutting, pressing and chewing, we have different types of teeth. The teeth is divided into molar, premolar, canine and incisor, which perform different functions and has different appearance. Mastication of food inside the mouth take place with the help of teeth. Food particles are mechanically broken into small pieces by the action of teeth. Action of saliva on food. Salivary glands are located in the lower jaw between the tongue and the teeth. Salivary glands releases saliva, which converts starch in the food into sugar and also it softens the food. Tongue, it is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. It consists of different taste buds. The taste of food can be detected by the presence of these buds in the tongue. It mixes saliva with the food during masticating the food to form the bolus, and the bolus passes through the esophagus. Esophagus runs along the neck and the chest in the digestive tract. Epiglottis is present behind the tongue, which directs the food to reach the stomach. Food is gradually pushed down by the movement of wall of the esophagus and it is passed into the stomach. Stomach, it is a thick-walled, flattened J-shaped bag. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. The inner lining of the stomach segregates mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juice. Mucus protects the lining of the stomach. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria that enter along with the food. It also helps the digestive juice to act. The digestive juice breaks down the protein into similar substances. Small intestine. It is highly coiled and is about 7.5 meter long in length. It receives the food from the stomach. The food is digested completely by the digestive juice released from the liver, pancreas and the wall of small intestine. The liver is the reddish-brown largest gland in the body, situated on the right side of the abdomen. It segregates bile juice from the gallbladder present in the liver. pancreas is a large cream-colored gland located just below the stomach. It produces pancreatic juice, which act on carbohydrate, fat, and protein to form similar substances like glucose, fatty acid, and amino acid. Digested food can now pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. The digested food is absorbed by the tiny finger-like outgrowth called villi, which are present on the inner walls of the intestine. They increases the surface area for absorption of digested food. Each villus possesses minute blood nerve which absorbs and transports the digested nutrients through the blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as the protein required by the body. This is called assimilation. Large intestine. The undigested and unabsorbed food enters into the large intestine. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine, and it is about 1.5 meter in length. It absorbs water and some salts from the undigested food material. The remaining waste passes into rectum and remains there as semi-solid fecus. The fecal matter is then removed through the anus time to time. This process is called ejection. So children, in today's class, you have learned starch is converted into sugar by saliva. In small intestine, carbohydrate gets broken into glucose, fats into fatty acids, and protein into amino acids. Glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. Digestion in human beings involves the following steps, that are egestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. These 5 steps forms the digestive system in human beings. So, students, I hope you all have understood the process of digestion in human beings. I need you all to refer the given picture from your reader and to draw in your science notes. Remaining topics will be discussed in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.